Everyone, and thanks for checking in to WeatherBug here on this Tuesday. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast, which today is brought to you by Texas. From fair weather fun to friendly locals, Texas has it all. You can explore more at TravelTex.com. Check it out. It looks like Texas is going to be pretty quiet again over the next few days. We're kind of baking under the heat, of course, with those triple digits finally showing up in Dallas, and that's after several days after the normal first 100-degree day, which typically occurs in early June. But hot temperatures in the southwest continuing. Actual air temperatures 100 to maybe even 115 for places like Phoenix and southwestern Arizona. Cooler farther north, though, and a spotty severe weather concern. But there are your excessive heat warnings. Again, Southern California and southwestern Arizona for the day today, even extending into the middle and end of this upcoming week. But on the outer periphery of this trough of low pressure, which is kind of hanging out in the Great Lakes region, you have that severe weather threat, and especially along the eastern seaboard today, from D.C. to New York to Boston and Maine, all under a slight risk of severe weather. Tomorrow, that threat mainly into the midsection of the nation, and then maybe a little farther south on Thursday, but nothing widespread in terms of severe weather again over the next few days, unless you're on the eastern seaboard, on the eastern flank of this trough, kind of watching that threat really develop this afternoon. And again, that could bring in some gusty winds, heavy pockets of rain, but we're also looking at some heavier pockets of rain as this next impulse of energy kind of rounds the base of that trough, especially in the midsection of the nation here. 1 to 2+ inches of rain. You can see some heavier rainfall from D.C. over to Long Island and the Cape. But your hot temperatures are really kind of stacked up here in the southwest. At least the extreme heat, but it is very warm on the eastern seaboard. Today will be into the 90s, and tomorrow still very mild along the eastern seaboard and up to 90 again in D.C. Have a good one.